Is your car feeling tired and unresponsive? You hit the gas, but it just doesn't leap forward like it used to. That sluggishness isn't always a sign of old age or a costly repair. The real culprit is often hidden carbon buildup, a black crusty gunk slowly choking your engine. This stuff blocks airflow, making your engine struggle like running a marathon while breathing through a straw. The good news? You can fix this yourself, often without a trip to the mechanic. Modern engines, especially those built for efficiency, are prone to this problem. If your car hesitates, idles rough, or guzzles fuel, you're not alone, and there's a solution. With some basic tools and a free weekend, you can clear out that carbon and restore lost power. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to bring your engine back to life. So, what exactly is carbon buildup? It's a hard black deposit left behind from incomplete combustion. In older engines, fuel washed the intake valves clean, but modern gasoline direct injection (GDI) engines skip this step. Without that constant fuel shower, oily vapors bake onto the valves, forming thick carbon layers. This is especially common in newer cars designed for efficiency. The result? Airflow is disrupted, fuel mixes poorly, and valves may not close properly. You lose power, fuel economy drops, and your engine feels off. It's a design trade-off, better efficiency, but more carbon headaches. Even low-mileage cars can suffer from this. The bottom line, carbon buildup is a widespread modern problem, but it's one you can tackle yourself. How do you know if carbon buildup is the issue? Look for these signs: loss of power, sluggish acceleration, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. Frequent trips to the petrol station or a shaky engine at stoplights are big clues. Engine misfires and a check engine light can also point to carbon-clogged valves. To confirm, use a basic OBD2 scan tool to check for misfire or lean condition codes. For a definitive answer, use a borescope to inspect the intake valves directly. Remove the intake manifold, snake the camera in, and look for thick black deposits. If you see crusty buildup, you've found your culprit. No more guessing, it's time for a deep clean. These simple checks can save you time and money. Let's move on to what you'll need to fix it. Before you start, gather your tools and safety gear. You'll need a socket set, torque wrench, screwdrivers, pliers, trim tools, and a good light. For cleaning, the best method is walnut blasting. Get a media blaster gun, walnut shells, an air compressor, and a vacuum adapter for your intake ports. Safety first, wear goggles, gloves, and a dust mask to protect yourself from flying debris and dust. Make sure the engine is cool and disconnect the battery before starting. Have rags and brake cleaner handy for cleanup. Take photos or label parts as you disassemble. A calm, organized approach prevents mistakes and frustration. Don't rush. Methodical work leads to better results. With the right prep, you're ready for the main event. Let's get to blasting that carbon away. With your tools ready, remove the intake manifold to access the valves. Make sure the valves for the cylinder you're cleaning are fully closed. No debris should fall inside. Attach your vacuum adapter, connect the vacuum, and load the blaster with walnut shells. Turn on the vacuum, insert the blaster, and fire away. The shells strip carbon without harming metal. Check your progress with a borescope, and repeat until the valves are clean. Do this for each cylinder. No blaster. Chemical cleaners are an option, but they're messier and less effective. Scrub with brushes and vacuum out the residue if you go this route. Walnut blasting is the pro's choice for a reason. Once clean, reassemble everything carefully. Once the valves are clean, your engine will look and feel like new. Expect smoother idle, better throttle response, and improved fuel economy. You'll avoid misfires and check engine lights, saving on future repairs. To keep carbon at bay, use high-quality petrol, consider an oil catch can, and use the right engine oil. An occasional motorway drive helps burn off lighter deposits. You've tackled a major problem yourself and saved a fortune. With these skills, you can keep your engine running strong for years. Be proud. Most people never attempt this. Enjoy your revived engine and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty again. Now start your car and feel the difference.